Breaking news that is coming in now, and this is what RSS Supremo Mohan Bhagwat has said on the question of should Indian leaders retire at the age of 75 years. Mohan Bhagwat has said, and I quote him, "In Sangh, we are given a job whether we want it or not. If I am 80 years old and Sangh says go and run a shakha, I will have to do it. We do whatever the Sangh tells us to do." So in many ways, this is almost settling that 75 years debate which was ongoing. There was another question that was asked to the RSS chief in this 3-day event which was happening in Vigyan Bhavan in the national capital. On that question that was asked about the role that RSS has to play and why is there a delay in picking up the new BJP president, Mohan Bhagwat said that everyone says that the Sangh decides everything. That's not true. Just like I'm an expert in Sangh, they have been running states. This is essentially referring to the BJP, that they are the political masters. They run their party. The RSS is an ideologue. It's a fountainhead, of course. And then he went on to say that if we were the ones deciding, would it take this long? Again, an interesting headline there coming in from Mohan Bhagwat. Let's listen in to these sound bites and then I will shift focus to the tariff issue.
I never said that I will retire or someone should retire. In Sangha, we Swayam Sevaks, we are given a job, whether we want it or not. So, if I am 80 years old and Sangha will tell me, go run a shakha, I will have to go. We do whatever Sangha tells us. We don't say, I will do this, I want that. No, that is not allowed. And we are not there for it because we don't want to accomplish anything. This is not for retirement of anybody or myself. We are ready to retire any time in the life. And we are ready to work as long as Sangha wants us to work. That is the thing. सब कुछ संघ तय करता है, ये पूर्णतः गलत बात है. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. क्योंकि हम इतने दिनों से मैं 50 साल से शाखा चला रहा हूं. तो कोई शाखा के बारे में मुझे सलाह दे तो मैं एक्सपर्ट हूं. लेकिन वो राज्य चला रहे अनेक वर्षों से, तो राज्य के बारे में एक्सपर्ट वो है. मेरी एक्सपर्टाइज वो जानता है, उसकी एक्सपर्टाइज मैं जानता हूं. तो इस मामले में सलाह तो दे सकते हैं, क्यों देखने से भी सीखते हैं लोग. परंतु डिसीजन तो उस फील्ड में उनका है, इस फील्ड में हमारा है. इसलिए हम तय नहीं करते. हम तय करते हो इतना समय लगता क्या? हम नहीं करते, हमको करना नहीं है. Take your time.
We are in an advisory role. We do not decide the BJP president, is what Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS Supremo, has said. Aishwarya Paliwal was there at the RSS event for all these 3 days. Multiple headlines, Aishwarya, coming in today. But I would say that the point that has been made in the context of 75-year age, retirement age, that debate seems to be settled now. And also that RSS has no role. They can at best advise BJP that they should announce their BJP president, but they have limited role in it.
Well, Maria, let me tell you, all of us who were sitting there, we were all waiting for this question to be answered, because let me tell you what had happened. Over the past 2 days, we all were given a piece of paper. We had to write the question that we wanted from our name, the address and the organization that we were from. So all of us knew that these were the questions that were being asked. And let me tell you, one thing was very, very clear. Over the past 48 hours, we were told that each and every question will be answered. So every one of us was very keenly looking at the 75-year thing, because You would have also heard it, Maria. A lot of people now have started speaking about the fact that Mohan Bhagwat is about to step down, and so is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both of them are almost 75 years old. So this debate, Maria, let me tell you, in that one go, very, very clearly,
Settled.
with a little bit of a smile on his face, Mohan Bhagwat saying that no, he never asked anyone to resign, nor will he be resigning.
Yes, and in the context of the BJP president, he says, अगर मेरे पे रहता तो मैं पहले ही तय कर चुका होता और इतना डिले नहीं होता.
And let me tell you, Maria, that was something that, had everyone, all of us who were present there. It was just a burst of laughter because the way he said it, that had it been upon us, and that's
Yes.
what a lot of people are saying, that we are the ones who are deciding it, we would not have taken so long. We have told them that do whatever you want, you can take your own time.
All right, Aishwarya, I appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.